All right, hi guys. Welcome to Tools for Guys. My name is Aaron. I'm one of the four guys on there. So I just want to let you guys know about the Ryobi set. I have a couple of these. You've probably seen some drills I have, but this is the impact driver. On there, it uses the 18 volt. You can use it with the battery. This is nice. It has a little quick from the coil on in.
Call it? What do you call it?
What do you call it?
What do you call it?
Just quick for a drill, just easy. But what I really like, the convenient, what came with the set is this power inflator. I mean, it's something I probably wouldn't have bought, but since it came with the set, I wanted to use it. And really, now that I have it, I would recommend it just because it's so easy to use. I don't have to bring out the air compressor or anything, or even have a small pump. You can do easy as airing up a basketball, a soccer ball, comes with the needle on top. Or if what you can do, has a little pressure gauge, you can top off your tires in your car.
How high does the pressure gauge go?
I mean, it says 150 psi.
Wow.
So I mean, you can definitely done it. I did it with my truck tires, topped it off. I mean, it's pretty good, and anyone can do it. I had my little boy do it. It's real easy, nothing to it. There you go.